Fulfillment by Amazon. Fulfillment by Amazon FBA is a service provided by Amazon that allows sellers to store their products in Amazon Fulfillment Center, where Amazon takes care of the order fulfillment process. Here how the FBA process works. Product listing, send inventory, order placement, picking and packing, shipping, customer services and fees. Product listing. As a seller, you create product listing on Amazon Marketplace, included product details, images, and prices. Sending inventory. You ship your products to Amazon Fulfillment Center. Amazon handles the storage and organization of your inventory. Order placement. When a customer places an order for your product, Amazon systems automatically selects the closest fulfillment center with your product in stock. Packing and packaging. Amazon employees pick the ordered products from the inventory, pack them and prepare them for shipping. Shipping. Amazon handles shipping the products to the customer using extensive logistic network. Products fulfillment by Amazon often qualify for Prime and other fast shipping options. Customer services. Amazon provides customer services for inquiries, returns, and other post-purchase issues. This can enhance the customer experience and relieve you of customer support and responsibilities. Fees. While FBA provides convenience, there are fees associated with the services. These fees include storage fees, fulfillment fees, and potential other charges based on the size and weight of your products. Benefits of using Amazon FBA. Prime eligibility, scalability, customer trust, global research. Prime eligibility. FBA products are often eligible for Amazon Prime's fast and free shipping, which can attract more customers. Scalability. Scalability. FBA allows you to easily scale your business since Amazon handles storage and fulfillment logistics. Customer trust. Customer trust tends to trust product fulfillment by Amazon due to its reliable shipping and customer services. Global research. Global research. FBA offers internationally fulfillment, allowing you to reach customers in various countries without complex international shipping arrangement. Steps to start using FBA. Register as seller, list your products, enroll in FBA, prepare your inventory, monitor and manage, optimize listing, monitor fees and performance. Register as a seller. If you are not already registered as a seller on Amazon, you will need to create a seller account. List your products. List your products. Create product listing for the item you want to sell on Amazon. Enroll in FBA. Within your seller account, enroll in the Fulfillment by Amazon services. Prepare your inventory. Package and label your products according to Amazon guidelines, then ship them to the designated fulfillment center. Monitor and manage. Keep track of your inventory levels, sales performance, and customer feedback. Amazon provides tools to help you manage your FBA inventory. Optimize listings. Continuously optimize your product listing for visibility and conversations. Good product titles, description, and images are essential. Monitor fees and performance. Stay informed about the fee associated with FBA and analyze your profit margins. Regularly assess your performance and adjust your strategies as needed. Important note. It is important to research FBA thoroughly and consider the cost, benefits, and requirements before using the services. While FBA can offer convenience and exposure to a wide customer base, it's essential to have a clear understanding of how to it fits into your overall business strategy. Thank you.